what is so special about this badge and its relationship to early VW Beetles. Today we'll talk about that and give you a shop update. I was waiting for you.
Can't sneak up on you today.
Yeah, it's a bit quiet around here, so it's kind of hard to sneak up on anybody around here.
It's true.
So we're a couple staff short. Some people not feeling well took the day off. So it's just me and Superman, and I think Darren's around here somewhere, but he's not feeling well and just taking care of some paperwork.
All right. Well, we had a question that came in.
Yeah, that was from last week.
Yeah. So it was along the lines of this. How can you explain, or what can you tell us about the Karmann version of Super Beetles?
Oh, no, I think he's asking about
right?
like a 71, 72 version.
Yeah.
Yeah, so for those of you guys who don't know, Karmann, the Italian styling company, designs a lot of cars around the world. In fact, if you look at an early Karmann and an early Triumph, they look almost identical, and they're both designed by that studio. Huh. So they had the contract to build the convertible Beetles as well as the Karmann, as also the Hebs are something completely different. But it was the same idea. It was another manufacturer going to go in and take an existing chassis and make it correct. Mm-hmm. They did that. So the difference is in 71, 72, it's a flat window Super.
Okay.
So it doesn't matter if it's a hardtop, if it's an 02, 03, 04, 05, it doesn't really matter. The convertible, which is the 1305, also is a model designation for Super Beetles, for convertibles. So if you have a 71 1305, you've got a Karmann version of the Beetle. So
there we go.
A little bit of history there.
All right. Well, you want to show us what's new in the shop? What's
sure.
all going on?
I can kind of... So I know you guys were like kind of on this one left and right. So we finally got the parts in for this. So JT yesterday was starting to do up the spindles, and we ran into a little bit of an issue. So we have to get a 5/8 drill to drill this out. Got to put a bushing in this and then reverse this. That's how the original builder did it. And I've done this trick before, and this is a late model spindle, and it's the only way you can do that. And they did that for clearance. Okay. We didn't realize that when we got the spindles back after waiting God knows. And I can't find my 5/8 drill, so I've got one coming. And JT's out, so yeah. Hopefully we'll get this thing back on the ground next week. This one we're waiting on the plans. So this is Mr. Henry's bus. This is what Superman and I have been playing with. In fact, this coming Sunday's video is going to be stretching out a headliner for this one. Ooh. So we set the windows yesterday, got the rest of the windows set today. He's taking care of all the little bits and pieces. And I'm figuring out an electrical problem in here. And I'm not great at electrical, but I can tell a burnt wire from two. I don't know why that's doing. Roger, go home. So, Superman's over here working with 40-year-old parts, trying to make them work.
That's the exact right face.
So, I almost don't even want to talk about this.
Yeah.
So, it was getting moved yesterday, and somehow... So, oh gosh. I am sorry, Mr. Ferguson. We will be fixing it, but I'm going to get the brakes sorted out first. We're waiting on some copper paste. Once again, JT, and he's out. Yep. So this is the first truck. We started doing up all the wiring termination. Starting to get the switches in. Mm-hmm. We're starting to get bits and pieces in. I was going to build the doors, but then the client took one of those pieces to the chromers. Oh. And I won't see it for about a month, so okay. They can't really do too much.
Yeah. How about Riley?
Riley, we actually should see the engine by the end of the month.
Oh, nice.
So the next big thing is going to be the upholstery covers.
Yeah.
Darren will be checking on that. Mr. Gonzo, we're just waiting on some rims.
Okay.
With Sarah here. So Philip's under here doing something. What are you doing, Philip?
Bolting up the clutch plate
Okay.
so that the clutch doesn't move. The clutch pedal.
Clutch
Sounds
pedal,
good.
that's it. Okay, cool. Other than that, we're pretty much not here. So if
Yeah.
you can peek in and kind of see
We're
him.
gonna go around the corner.
There I am.
Yay, ordering parts.
I'm ordering parts and checking parts.
Oh boy. That's parts is parts.
Versus parts.
All right.
So we are hiring guys. If you guys want to come build some incredible cars, we really enjoy it.
Find us on Facebook and you can see our
Facebook.
ad there.
Yep.
You can just reach out.
Or just give us a call or just
Sure.
hit the website or whatever you want to do.
256-828-2123.
And no, we're not moving the shop to another location, so you could stay home and come to work. That did not happen. You got to move here.
It's true.
Anyway,
It's true.
that's going to be it for folks.
All right.
It's going to be a short update this week. I apologize. So, dub well.
Well, there we go. All right. Goodbye, nice
Bye.
people.